If you ever try to print something without leveling your bed, you might have faced one of two problems. If your printhead is too close to the bed, you might hear this knocking noise or it might drag away all the material that it lays down. If it's too far away, it might just be printing in air. To fix this problem, you first need to auto home the printhead. Go to Motion, Auto Home. Make sure the printhead is completely clean before proceeding. If the printhead is not clean, the material will interfere with the leveling. Disable the steppers so that you can move the print bed. Now move the printhead to each of the four corners of the bed. Then grab a piece of paper and slide it between the printhead and the bed. Use the wheel to move the print bed up or down so that the paper lightly grazes the surface of the printhead. Repeat this in each of the four corners. The paper shouldn't get stuck in between. It should neither be too tight nor too loose. When you do one of the corners, it tends to affect the other corners, so I usually do this whole process twice. I also do this before every print just to be safe. I also monitor the first layer of the print to make sure that everything goes smoothly. Usually, if the first layer is fine, everything after that is fine. Once you do this, you should be able to print without any issue.